Welcome to Math Media Ganitham Mathuram. Today I am going to discuss some extra questions of Chapter 2 Linear Equations in one variable. Our, our first question, a steamer goes downstream and covers the distance between two ports in 3 hours. It covers the same distance in 5 hours when it goes upstream. If the stream flows at 3 km per hour, then find the speed of steamer in upstream. We don't know what is the speed of steamer in upstream. We have to find that one. So first we can take the speed of steamer in still water can be taken as x. So we can see how to solve the sum. Let the speed of steamer in still water is x km per hour and the speed of stream is 3 km per hour. The speed of downstream can be taken as x plus 3 km per hour. So the speed of upstream will be x minus 3 km per hour. Just opposite. Time taken in downstream equal to 3 hours. Distance covered in downstream equal to, that is between two ports. So the distance equal to speed into time. Here the speed is given x plus 3 km per hour and time is 3 hours. So the distance covered in downstream will be 3 multiplied by x plus 3 km. Time taken by steamer in upstream equal to 5 hours. So the distance covered in upstream equal to 5 multiplied by x minus 3 kilometer. It is given that the steamer covers same distance in upstream and downstream. So according to the question we can write 3 into x plus 3 equal to 5 into x minus 3. After solving the bracket, open the bracket, we get 3x plus 9 equal to 5x minus 15. Now we can shift the variable into one side and numerals to other side. So 3x minus 5x equal to minus 15 minus 9. That is minus 2x equal to minus 24, or x equal to minus 24 upon minus 2 will give 12 km per hour. X we have taken the speed of steamer in still water, that is we found 12 km per hour. Now we have to find out the speed of steamer in upstream. The speed of steamer in upstream we have taken x minus 3 km per hour. That is 12 minus 3 will give 9 km per hour. If it is asking the speed of steamer in downstream, so we can solve. We have taken that one as x plus 3 km per hour. So we'll get 15 km per hour. Thank you.